what's up? Watch me set up my 5-tier storage rack. This is my attempt to save space and to make things look a little bit more organized up in here. Now this storage rack came broken down into a whole bunch of different pieces and I had to put all those pieces together, but I didn't think about recording until after I got started. So you are seeing this with this storage rack mostly put together. But right now I am putting that rod up, and PS, part of that tension rod got stuck and it took me about an hour to get it unstuck and be able to put it up. But right here, I'm just putting on the shelves to see how they look. Then I finally put the other side on and attached everything, and now I'm putting my things on the shelves. The idea I had was to be able to put all the things that I originally had on that short storage shelf that was there, all the things that was around it, and other things I recently bought that's just sitting around in boxes. And I started putting my stuff on the shelves. Then I realized I had to put all of the paint at the very bottom because it's like the heaviest thing. And then they were in bins and they just, to me, wouldn't look right sitting on the middle shelf or at the top. So here I'm just readjusting the shelves, pushing everything up, and these are actually all tumblers on these two shelves. And then I put the shelf at the bottom in order to put the paint and some other little knick-knack thing like cotton and mixing cups. Then I moved right along putting everything else that I wanted to be on the shelves. I was actually trying to figure out where I was going to put what as I go, but it all came together and it looked just fine. But here's the box that it came in, and that's all. Good tea.